Welcome to an introduction to geography. Get ready to start seeing the world through a new perspective. This is about developing the geographical eye. In this video, we will explore what geography is, what geographers study, what geographical concepts are, and what geography has to offer. Let's put on our thinking caps. What does geography mean to you? What do you think you will be learning? What jobs do you think geographers are in? To summarize geography in a nutshell, we can watch a short video. Geography involves studying the physical and built environments. The physical environment is natural, while the built environment is human-made. Today, most environments are a combination of natural and human features. Geography is about understanding how these two environments affect each other. In some areas, human activities are causing great and sometimes irreversible damage to the environment, such as chopping down rainforest trees for wood or agricultural land. The natural environment includes forests, mountains, and oceans. The built environment includes cities, agricultural areas, and industrial estates. These environments interact and affect one another. All these interactions fall under the broad scope of geography. Geography is about interconnected physical features, processes, human activities, and their impacts on the environment. These interactions can result in both positive changes and negative impacts. Let's dive into the physical environment. Examine the images to determine what aspects geographers are interested in. The physical environment is composed of geospheres. The atmosphere is the air surrounding the Earth. Most of the air and weather changes occur near the Earth's surface, affecting elements like temperature and rainfall. Geographers investigate atmospheric processes, such as what causes rain and how large tropical storms or hurricanes form. Understanding these processes helps in prediction. The biosphere refers to all life on Earth, including animals and plants. It purifies the air and is a crucial source of food for humans. Geographers study the biosphere's features, like rainforests, and how human interaction affects it. For example, clearing rainforests for timber endangers plant and animal life. The hydrosphere is all the water on Earth, covering about 70% of the surface. It includes oceans, rivers, ice sheets, and moisture in the air, moving through different states. Geographers look at processes in the hydrosphere, such as water movement, and how it affects human life, like managing water resources in drought or flood-prone areas. The lithosphere is the outermost solid crust of the Earth's surface, consisting of rocks that form mountains and plains. Earthquakes occur when the lithosphere moves. Geographers study lithosphere features, such as how landforms develop, and its interrelation with the human environment, like obtaining energy resources through deep drilling. Next, let's dive into the human environment. Examine the pictorial sources to see what geographers are interested in, such as transport systems and housing. Why do you think geographers are concerned about housing and transport systems? Housing provides permanent shelter and protection. The type and design of houses are influenced by the environment and climate, differing between rural and urban areas. Transport systems include infrastructure and networks for moving people, goods, and services, such as airports and expressways. A good system is vital for a city's sustainability and economic growth. Every aspect or phenomenon around us can be examined using 4 key geographical concepts. These 4 geographical concepts are space, the distribution of things over an area; scale, the level of examination; environment, the surrounding features and processes; and place, a part of the Earth people identify with and give meaning to. Space is a physical area, like a school or a void deck. It is a concept of location, expressed with coordinates like latitude and longitude. Spatial patterns refer to how space is organized, such as linear, dispersed, or clustered arrangements. Organizations like the Urban Redevelopment Authority manage this. A space becomes a place when it holds special meaning for people, often due to significant interactions, memories, or a sense of belonging. This uniqueness is studied by geographers. For instance, the Amazon rainforest is a space, but to the indigenous Bora Indians, it is a unique place, their home, as they depend on its resources for survival. Environment refers to physical processes in both the natural and built settings, such as winds, waves, growing crops, or constructing boardwalks. Geographers study environmental impacts for sustainable living. Scale refers to the level of detail geographers use to study something, including map, time, and geographic scales. Consider which image belongs to which scale. Map scale is the relationship between a map distance and the actual distance on the ground, expressed as a fraction or statement. This is crucial for accurate representation. Time scale refers to the duration over which processes or changes occur in the natural and built environments, ranging from seconds to millennia. Humans currently live in the Holocene epoch. Geographic scale examines issues at various levels, such as individual, local, national, or global. Understanding scale helps us assess the impact of outcomes at different levels. Examples of issues at different geographic scales include climate change at the international level, the Singapore Green Plan at the national level, and individual efforts like reducing, reusing, and recycling. Geographers, as social scientists, use geographical investigation to seek answers to important questions, such as how weekend nature hikes affect park regeneration. A geographical investigation follows 4 steps: asking questions, collecting and analyzing data, presenting findings, and reflecting on the investigation. Through these investigations, we learn valuable communication skills, research and analytical skills, and teamwork. Geographers are social scientists primarily interested in gathering and making sense of information about the world to drive decision-making processes. They possess strong analytical skills and act as investigators, planners, and decision-makers, working toward a sustainable future for both humans and the environment. There are many related careers that benefit from geographical knowledge. Some examples are listed on the slides. As a journalist, geographical knowledge can help you stand out. You could write about global warming, volcanic eruptions, explore cultures, food, or even become a travel writer. If you are concerned about the environment after studying geography, consider becoming an environmental lawyer, focusing on climate control, energy sources, or pollution.